Huawei P60 Pro comes as the powerhouse of the entire P series lineup. This phone comes with a Pro camera, Pro performance, and Pro software features. Huawei P60 Pro specifications are designed to provide you with an all-around pro user experience. This phone has nothing to say and is filled with a lot of action. Especially its camera system is crafted with massive technological innovations. Huawei P60 Pro sports a 6.67-inch of OLED display with 120Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate, 1440Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, 300Hz touch sampling rate, and FHD Plus resolution. The screen has a quad curve design, 1.07 billion colors, and P3 wide color gamut. Huawei P60 Pro is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 octa-core chipset. It has Adreno GPU and Qualcomm's 7th generation AI engine. This processor is coupled with 8GB RAM and 256/512 gigs of ROM as well as 256 gigs card memory extension. Huawei P60 Pro equips a triple camera system consisting of a 48-megapixel super spotting camera, f1.4 to f4.0 aperture, optical image stabilization, 13-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, 2.2 aperture, and 48-megapixel super spotting night vision telephoto camera, f2.1 aperture, optical image stabilization. The rear camera support 3.5x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. In terms of videography, the camera support for 4K recording and 1080 960 FPS super slow motion video. The front side of the phone equips a 13-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera with f2.4 aperture along with various selfie modes. The phone packs a 4,815 mAh battery that could recharge with an 88-watt super fast charger. Huawei P60 Pro is IP68 level water and dust proof and comes in 4 color options: Rococo White, Feather Purple, Feather Black, and Emerald Green. The device dimensions are 161mm in height, 74.5mm in width, and 8.3mm in thickness, while the phone weighs 200 grams. Huawei P60 Pro with 8GB RAM plus 256 gigs internal storage version priced at 6988 Chinese yuan, $1,024, 940 euro. Huawei P60 Pro with 8GB RAM plus 512 gigs internal storage version priced at 7988 Chinese yuan, $1,170, 1075 euro. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.